Well, hello. Welcome to another episode of South Thailand Ride 2024. On the previous video, I was departing for the province of Yala and heading towards the next province of Narathiwat. Well, before that, why not I show you the journey so far and the stops I took from Yala to Narathiwat in the map route. I departed from Bertong Route 410 Rider Pit Stop and headed north to conquer the 100 corners of Bertong all the way to Skywalk Ayerwang. Over there is a nice viewpoint of the Sea of Mist and also the endpoint of the 100 corners. Then I continued north towards my place of stay at the Moon Lake Resort, a nice accommodation just above the Banglang Lake. While I was there, I checked out the Tokuche Bridge and ended the night there. Following day, did a petrol stop at PTT Tanto, which is along the way. Now for the petrol stops is definitely up to you where you choose depending on the bike you ride. However, I will just give you a rough idea on where you can stop if you are planning the same route as me. On to the first stop of the day, Banglang Dam. An interesting spot to stop by to take some pictures of a huge dam here in Yala. Then is on to the great wonder of nature, Tam Kra Chaing, a natural tunnel crossed by a river through it. Definitely a place to check out when you are heading north of Yala. Now is the long ride to the next province of Narathiwat. Along the way is definitely a scenic ride, riding through mountains and thereafter a long straight road. Was an awesome experience riding through this route to Narathiwat, man. After the long ride was time for a petrol stop. Stopped by a PTT at Kop Kien, just at the entrance of the town. Though this PTT stop is quite troublesome, as you will need to make a U-turn, which I will show you later in the video. Then it's on to my place of stay in Narathiwat at the Tanyong Hotel. I later found out there is a PTT right outside the hotel, so I could have skipped the earlier petrol stop. Well, that's the summary of the journey from Yala to Narathiwat. Let me just cut to the helmet camp where I am arriving to the PTT just before entering the town area. Then after the petrol stop, I will show you my accommodation at the Tanyong Hotel.
Okay lah, this one the PTT not so far from the hotel also, so quite a good spot. But most likely have to U-turn, which is an issue. There got no right turn one, so most likely later I need to backtrack also. Malah bopian, I can just turn here, would be great. Yes, I did it. But if I can go to the opposite side of the road, why not I? Sorry, gotta go one round. Hey. Sure. 95 get so hot. Okay, quick break here at the PTT near the hotel. Time to head on off. To Tanyong Hotel. Here in Narathiwat. Feels so much more fresher now. I thought on the jackets and just cut through there, but never mind lah. We go one round. For nothing, because right in front got the army. Later for nothing get to trouble. So I say just do the one round. Anyway, it's not that far lah. 5 km plus this U-turn. Not so bad. One thing, if you're going from point to point, like what I'm doing now, going to all the different province, one night, all okay lah. You know, don't feel so shagged. Normally, see now the sun coming to 4 o'clock already. So, I must say cannot U-turn. Oh, this one. Got the sign where it says cannot U-turn, but can U-turn. So misleading one. Okay. So like I was saying, go one point, all okay lah. Go province to province, Don't feel so tired lah. No need to whack. Last year's one where went to all the way up north, to the northernmost point of Thailand. For that one, a lot of one time go skip many provinces one, But that one damn shag, And then that one thing good, that one was riding the Hayabusa, so can pick up speed and make up for time lah. But for I think the Qooder, this one scooter style, okay lah. Whatever is shown in the map, right, so far seems to be quite on par on the timing, Gotta cut through this weird zigzag, enter the area only. Got one security roadblock. So I guess this time is out of the forest area, mountainside, and onto a city area, Narathiwat. Nearby is most likely all the normal city side, as in town area kind of place, and of course near the beach. This one's towards the east, so it's already towards the ocean side already. The hotel I chose also not that far from the beach lah, so see whether can walk, or if not have to ride, then I just ride down lah. See how, because it seems like it's not that far. So if I can just walk, at least the bike can just park, and don't need to waste petrol, and let the bike rest for a bit after all this riding, with the mountainside, all the turns up and down. Even the journey here also not so bad, quite nice. You can see our king, which is as usual all over Thailand, his picture. Didn't check this town name is what, but let's see, the shop also is all the small shop, something like Betong like that lah. It's not those type the big place, big restaurant or what. So go towards the hotel, see how. Then it's still quite outside, so that's why maybe it's all the shops, or it's all this type one, small shops one, shop house type. You don't see like restaurants or what. It's all this stuff. It's just all convenience shop only. So you cut through these two guys, because it's cannot squeeze that side. with tricycle plus pickup truck at the front. Okay, then now I can go then this further block. Then edit. Okay, let me just try and focus on the road and the path. Because every time I told you, I always got three things I need to settle. There's the riding, and then there's the map, and then there's the motor vlogging. Let's see. Okay, so I gotta go cut through here. Oh, this one is what's in Tanin. So like a petrol station. This one I don't know what it is. Gaso Hall 91, 95. Here also don't know whether this is the same Gaso Hall or not. Advisor. It's still quite hot, even though it's coming to evening already. Late afternoon at 4. Let's see a Yamaha shop, man. All the way here. Surprising, because you see the video for the Thailand touring, 2023, last year's one, where I went. Most of the shop is all Honda one. Here in Thailand, they support all Honda, I guess. But Yamaha, all these, wow, super rare. This one's out of nowhere, one Yamaha shop. Suzuki don't say that one also. I think of all the whole Thailand, maybe only got one, a few only lah. Qooder don't say there's one lagi nowhere to be found. Singapore also only like one shop like that. Okay, seems I got to turn in somewhere soon. Let's not miss the turn. Gotta go slow a bit. Nope, it's further up. I think so. Let me see if I got the right way. Because I don't show. See the PTT station, but the hotel is a different way. See this one? I think so. Let's see, center Tanyong. I hope this one, because I don't see it. It should be lah. Let me go inside and check. Yeah, see the font for the Tanyong. So wait, let me just talk to my security first. Jatuh. Ni Tanyong
Ya?
Tanyong Hotel
Tanyong Hotel.
Okay. Pak mana?
Ada bagian apa tu? Foto ada bagi?
Tak apalah, saya boleh bawa.
Motor parking dah tu.
Okay. Sana. Okay. Sini ya. Okay. Park out of the way a bit. Shit. Kat sini ya. Okay lah. Tarik kami ni. Okay lah, thanks. Okay, time check out the room. 507 nama sudah. Okay lah. Let me put on the key card. Alright, check out the room. A bit dim Okay lah, I think because this light haven't on. 2 separate beds, even though I asked for double bed. Toilets looks good. Shower, toilet bowl. Then got TV. There's me. And the view. Oh, it's not what? Oh, wow, got balcony lah. This is what this door goes to, eh? She was telling me something about the motor can see. So, wow, check it out. This is Narathiwat. See the parking just now I parked where? Oh, there we are. Bobby, chilling out. It is locked. It's like there's a cafe area and you don't know lah, beside got one PTT right in front. Alamak. Quite convenient, yeah. Not so bad. Okay. Because why PTT one thing got 7-Eleven, so see the views up top. Nothing much. Just hoping that maybe it was facing the sea or something, because the sea should be the other way. Right, so that's a quick room tour. It's not just only because I booked without paying, so about 1,060 Thai baht for this room here at Tanyong Hotel, Narathiwat.